All right, I'm here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and something that has changed over the last several years and decades for sure is the advancements in technology when it comes to accidents and cars and trucks and buses. And even on some cars now there are cameras. We've all seen the police videos with cameras, but it is often true that trucks and buses now have cameras, and it's extremely important to preserve the videos when these accidents happen. So David, is it common now that in Los Angeles buses and trucks now have cameras?
Yes, in Los Angeles, almost all buses that I know of, there are some smaller ones that don't have cameras that I've dealt with, but I think I would say fairly safely that most of them nowadays have cameras in them, and it's really helpful being able to understand how an accident occurred. There was an attorney that I was recently speaking with that went to trial, and the other side got a accident reconstructionist expert to show how the accident occurred and so. And when he got in front of the jury, he just basically asked the expert, says, well, let me ask you this. What is it that you're going to tell the jury that's expert-wise that the jury can't see for themselves? And the guy fumbles for a minute. He's like, I don't know. So, yeah, they're very helpful nowadays. It provides a lot of information regarding an accident. You can see if another car cuts off a bus, or if the bus cuts off the car, or if the bus rear-ends the car. So, in those kind of cases, it's also very important to get involved right away so that we can send a letter to the other side and tell them to preserve any and all evidences as far as photos, videos, and I've had cases involving bus accidents where you can actually see, as a result of the collision, that somebody falls down and they end up sustaining shoulder injury, and that's helpful for us because we can show it to the jury and saying, look, unlike before where somebody just claimed it, now you can actually see somebody fall off their seat and hit the ground, or fall off and hit their knee, whatever it may be. And also with the trucks, they also are all now being equipped with cameras. A lot of times it's recording the driver, and it's also recording outside. And I think if you YouTube, there's some videos where you see a truck drivers now, they're like texting, and all of a sudden, right before a collision, you could see their reaction like, oh, and then boom, the collision occurs. So it's really helpful on our side, and we're able to get those videos, and we're able to establish liability, and what's left over is to show our damages, and that's where we are able to recover economic damages. Those are damages like medical bills, loss of income, and things of that nature that you can evaluate. And then there's non-economic damages, which is the pain and suffering, the agony, emotional problems that you have as a result of a accident.
Absolutely, and that's all very valuable information. And if you have been in a car accident with a truck or a bus, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. The phone number will be above as well as below in the YouTube info. Thank you very much, David.
All right, thank you.